So I'm on a flight from Dallas to San Diego, and I just picked up a property while sitting in the seat here on an airplane. It's amazing what you can do using technology. I received an email, looked at the comps while sitting boarding the flight, looked at the comps, looked at the scope of work, looked at the photos of the property, and it's completely a viable deal. It looks good. The numbers are nice, about a 32% cash-on-cash return, 64% annualized or better. And isn't it interesting what we can accomplish using technology when we have everything in place, when we have our team in place, when we have our processes in place, and a little bit of courage. Sit here on an airplane, preparing to take off, and buying a little house that has about a $27,000 profit margin. Life is indeed good.